Welcome everyone. Question on acids and bases. The order of basicity is, choices are A. CH3 minus is greater than NH2 minus is greater than OH minus is greater than F minus. B. CH3 minus is less than NH2 minus is less than OH minus is less than F minus. C. CH3 minus is equal to NH2 minus is equal to OH minus is equal to F minus. D. CH3 minus is less than NH2 minus is greater than OH minus is less than F minus. Answer is A. CH3 minus is greater than NH2 minus is greater than OH minus is greater than F minus. We know that the conjugate acid of a strong base is weak and vice versa. Now the conjugate acids of the given bases are CH4, NH3, H2O and HF respectively. Now the acidity of these compounds increases in the order CH4 is less than NH3 is less than H2O is less than HF. Therefore, the basic strength of the conjugate bases should decrease in the order CH3 minus is greater than NH2 minus is greater than OH minus is greater than F minus. Thank you for watching this video.